Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, August 10th. And we are looking at my charts. A little different this morning for a couple of reasons. I think we need to put aside the noise that's going to happen this morning. So I think it's better to look at the bigger picture and everything we're looking for to help you focus on your trading. So first and foremost is the monthly. Right? Doesn't matter what comes out at 8:30. This is what our focus needs to be on. The bottom line is this. If we're able to get above 413.03 in SPY, once again, we'd have an inside month up. And for the 8th trading day, we'll see if we can get any kind of acceptance above it. Right? I'm not worried about the monthly low yet, right? That's way out of the picture. So on the monthly, the first and the only thing that keep an eye on right now is last month's high, 413.03, which was the inside month up, right? Now let's break it down to the weekly, the intermediate time frame. We're very healthy right now. We're one time framing up for 4 weeks. However, last week's range was very small. So we know what will happen, obviously, if the market goes higher above last month's high. But what happens now if the market comes in today? Well, now the big number to keep an eye on is last week's low of 406.82. If we take that out, we come into initially a 2-week balance, depending on how much we take it out by, then it could become a 3-week balance, and then more importantly, there's an opportunity for an outside week up or an outside week down. So the monthly, you got to look at the monthly high, inside month up. The weekly, we have to keep an eye on if we take out last week's low. And then on the daily, to break it down to the smallest time frame that we're looking at, again, you can call this a 3-day balance. You can call it an 8-day balance. The bottom line is this. If we take out yesterday's high, then our next goal coming out of the inside month at some point would be June's high, which is the top of this 8-day balance, right? We said we need acceptance above there if we're going to get any traction to May's high. On the flip side, if we take out yesterday's low, we'll be below this trend line again. And then obviously, first destination will be the bottom of our smaller balance, which is 409.60. And then the bigger balance low, which is the weekly low of 406.82. And balance rules will certainly apply today. If we get down close to the bottom, we'll use the 8-day balance. If you get close to the bottom of the balance and fail, it'll rotate up. You might stretch the bottom of the balance a bit, rotate back up, or you could go through the balance low and not look back. If we get through the balance low and start with any kind of acceleration, remember, we have that July 28th day where we had a triple distribution day that has held to this point. So that's why I think it's important we looked at the charts first rather than the profile. Okay? Basically, you know now your levels on the upside and downside, which will cause this market to accelerate one way or the other. And then on the profile, right? So again, right now we've been trading back and forth through yesterday's high actually in the ES and SPY, but this is all meaningless. We have a 12-wide point of control overnight right now down at 27 in the ES. SPY, again, I have SPY, ES is in 1, SPY is in 4, so I'm not sure how wide this point of control is right now. But again, the bottom line is exactly what I showed you. So what's the game plan? Well, the game plan has to be based off of what I just told you. If we're able to take out last month's high again, then I'm going to be looking for longs to go test June's high. If, however, we fail and don't get above last month's high, well, then at some point we're going to go test the bottom of this 3-day balance. We'll see if that holds. And if that doesn't hold, you're going to test the bottom of the 8-day balance. So those are your game plans, right? If you take out yesterday's low, you can take a short against to see if we get down to the 3-day balance, see how it reacts there. Any acceleration through there, you remain short because you're going to go test the bottom of the 8-day balance. And if the balances hold, you add your shorts and you start looking for longs against the balance lows. Again, you're going to be seeing this live in my trading room all day today as the market evolves. The pre-market high in SPY right now is 412.88, and the overnight low is 411.33, but that will change drastically. Good luck trading today. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.